Big news breaking in the world of retail and tech right now. AEON360 is officially teaming up with Google Cloud to completely revolutionize how you shop and interact with their services across Southeast Asia. They are moving beyond simple apps to build an AI-powered continuous commerce ecosystem, starting in Malaysia, that promises to remember your preferences and make your shopping journey feel like it was designed just for you.
Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
But that is not all happening on the Google Cloud front today. We are also tracking a major development between Cadence and Google Cloud as they join forces to scale up AI-driven chip design. This partnership is set to accelerate the hardware innovation needed to power the next generation of artificial intelligence, making it a critical story for anyone watching the future of high-performance computing. The momentum keeps building as we dig deeper into the AEON360 and Google Cloud collaboration. They are launching an innovation foundry in Kuala Lumpur specifically to train staff and deploy Gemini Enterprise AI agents that can handle everything from product recommendations to complex customer service tasks using voice, text, and images to act on your behalf. Finally, the industry is buzzing with reports that Google is currently in talks with Marvell to build new custom AI chips to further their dominance in the space. There is so much shifting in the tech landscape today, so do not miss out on the full details coming up next. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update on these massive industry moves. Ever felt like you're doing all the heavy lifting just to finish a simple transaction? Imagine a world where your favorite retailer actually remembers who you are, what you like, and how you pay, without you having to type out your details for the 10th time today. Well, that's exactly the future AEON360 is betting on in a massive new partnership with Google Cloud. We're not just talking about a basic chatbot here. We're talking about a full-scale migration to what they call Agentic commerce. AEON360 is effectively stitching together its entire retail, finance, and lifestyle empire into one intelligent, cohesive ecosystem, starting right in Malaysia. At the heart of this is a unified data foundation using Google's BigQuery, creating an enterprise knowledge graph that bridges the gap between your grocery list, your loyalty points, and your payment preferences. Think of it as your own digital concierge that knows you've been looking for that specific item and automatically applies your rewards without you lifting a finger. But here is where it gets really interesting. They aren't just changing the storefront, they're changing the workforce. By launching an innovation foundry in Kuala Lumpur, they are actively upskilling their team to build and manage these AI agents using Gemini Enterprise. These agents aren't just for show, they are being trained to process text, voice, and images to handle complex tasks, from building your shopping cart to providing real-time customer support. And it's not staying locked inside the AEON app. Through Google's Universal Commerce Protocol, AEON360 plans to take this experience directly into Google Search, allowing you to interact with their brands and make secure transactions through Google Pay before you even step foot on their site. It's a bold move to eliminate the friction that has plagued traditional retail for decades, moving us away from fragmented, clunky interfaces toward a fluid, continuous journey. It really makes you wonder, as retail becomes this seamless and predictive, are we entering an era where we stop shopping altogether and simply let the AI take the wheel? If you found this update on the future of retail interesting, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech reshaping our daily lives. What do you think? Are you ready for an AI agent to handle your shopping list, or is this a step too far into the digital abyss? Let me know in the comments below. Ever wondered how the tiny chips inside your smartphone are getting so impossibly fast and efficient? The answer isn't just better engineering. It is a full-blown AI revolution behind the scenes. In a massive move for the hardware industry, Cadence and Google Cloud have just announced a strategic partnership to scale AI-driven chip design. Think about the stakes here. Designing a modern chip is an incredibly complex, time-consuming puzzle. But by integrating Cadence's cutting-edge computational software with the raw, scalable power of Google Cloud's infrastructure, they are essentially handing engineers a supercharged toolkit to solve these puzzles at lightning speed. This isn't just about faster performance. It is about drastically cutting down the time it takes to get from a concept to a physical product. By leveraging Google's massive compute power to run AI-driven simulations, designers can now catch bottlenecks before they even happen in the physical world. It is a brilliant example of how AI is moving out of the chatbot space and into the foundational infrastructure of our tech-driven lives. This partnership is a clear signal that the future of hardware development belongs to whoever can harness the cloud best. What do you think? Will AI-accelerated design make the next generation of tech affordable for everyone or just more powerful? Let us know your take in the comments below, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more updates on the tech shaping our future. In the end, it is not just about making chips faster. It is about building the very architecture of tomorrow, one byte at a time. Ever felt like you're constantly starting from scratch every time you switch between your grocery app, your bank, and your favorite retail store? It's a retail headache we've all learned to live with, but AEON360 and Google Cloud are about to make that frustration a thing of the past. They've just announced a massive, multi-year partnership to pioneer something they call Agentic commerce across Southeast Asia. Imagine a shopping experience that actually remembers who you are, what you like, and what you need before you even think to ask for it. This isn't just another loyalty program. It's a fundamental shift toward an ecosystem that acts like a single, intelligent entity. By leveraging Google Cloud's AI, AEON360 is moving beyond simple digital storefronts. They're building a unified data foundation that links everything from your grocery habits to your financing options. Whether you're hunting for ingredients for a family dinner or looking for the best installment plans, the system stays with you, bridging the gap between apps and physical stores. Behind the scenes, they're utilizing BigQuery to build an enterprise knowledge graph, which is basically the brain that allows all these different services to talk to each other in real time. But the real game changer? The AEON360 Innovation Foundry in Kuala Lumpur. They aren't just deploying tech, they're upskilling their entire workforce to become architects of this AI-driven future. They are rolling out Gemini enterprise agents. Think of these as proactive digital concierges that can handle voice and image inputs to build your cart for you or solve customer service issues 24/7. And they aren't stopping at their own apps. By adopting the Universal Commerce Protocol, AEON360 is looking to bring this experience directly into Google Search. Soon, you could be chatting with a brand agent right in your search results, getting personalized answers, and checking out without ever leaving the page. It's about creating a continuous thread of context that follows you, making shopping feel less like a chore and more like a conversation. As we move into this era of agentic AI, the companies that win will be the ones that turn browsing into doing. What do you think? Are you ready for an AI that shops for you, or does the idea of a digital concierge feeling a bit too much like science fiction? Drop a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates on how AI is reshaping your everyday life. After all, the future isn't just coming, it's already being coded. Is Google preparing to break away from its dependence on third-party hardware giants? We are seeing some massive moves in the tech world today as reports surface that Google is in active talks with chip designer Marvell to co-develop custom AI processors. This is a game changer. For years, Google has leaned on its own TPU architecture, but by tapping into Marvell's specialized expertise, they are clearly looking to supercharge their infrastructure to keep pace with the explosive demands of generative AI. It is not just about raw power. It is about efficiency, cost control, and establishing total vertical integration in an era where AI dominance is the ultimate prize. If this partnership materializes, we are looking at a fundamental shift in how hyperscalers approach chip design, potentially leaving competitors scrambling to catch up. What do you think? Is this the smartest move for Google's future, or are they spreading their resources too thin? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button if you want to stay ahead of the AI arms race, and remember, in the world of tech, the biggest winners are the ones building the engine, not just driving the car.